Today we are going to look at how to apply materials to the objects. Here is a model of a cartoon house and we're gonna apply materials to it. You can either do it for a whole shape or you can just select different face of a model. So to start with it, first we're gonna select a shape. Now what we're going to do is press right click on the shape and scroll down until you see assign new material. We will click on this and then on Lambert. Okay, after clicking on Lambert, you will see all of its properties in the attribute editor, and for Lambert 1, we'll go down to color and drag the button to change the color. Now again selecting other faces of the model and apply material by doing same. Now in attribute editor, going down to color, open it and you can select any color of your own choice. And this is all about assigning materials to the object or to any other shape. Hope you find this chapter helpful.